here we are, finally. This should be the last stream before the first version of the game, before we are actually able to start adding new features after the remastered version. So we don't have much to add, which is pretty much in option menu, or what I would call an instant menu, with a sound settings and the credits in there, as well as pure sound settings. So I did download what I could find on mechanic websites, because I'm not gonna lie, I don't really know where to find okay, I identified some which could be interesting for the iStart, but that's certainly not the best. So this will probably be temporary before we can find some better ones. So anyway, it's possible, I think, to add an audio node. You don't actually want editor into cancel audio, or do I want to add this to output? Probably the previous stream. Okay, let's import a few sounds. So by using the glass impact, which is the closest I found to the ice effect, so from the first. Good. With the mic, interesting question. Technically nothing. Oh yes.
Something happened. You're right. That was stealthy. Open your stream. Oh. Yeah. There we go. So I don't really know what you heard before, but yeah, that's fixed, I suppose. Yeah, I'm just gonna create new methods. Okay, missile. I don't have the missile sound, actually. I don't think so. Ice Tower? And hey, by the way, how you doing? I was tunneling on the question. Fine. Let's see, frozen. Fire. Probably sounds. We tried to remake Lonely Soul in C#. Interesting. Probably complicated. To remake something, I mean, in the sense of... There's probably a lot in there. So it might be slightly overwhelming to see a huge amount of things to remake. What day is it? Is it Saturday? I think it's Saturday, right? So I said that Monday is probably the best day to make a C# stream. Because the problem with Sunday is that I might be too tired for this. There is a little of code actually. Well, I don't think it's a question of quantity. I think it's a question of having a variety of things to do. Maybe the sound of the frozen turret is too low. What is 0 here? Because can I type the value? No. Oh, right there. There's problems with C# syntaxes. Well, yeah, that's the thing. You have to learn the C# syntax, you have to make differences to use the Godot API because it's not built in, and you have to adjust things which are entirely different. There are things which are different. Like managing arrays and lists, for example. That's the weirdest sound I have. So yeah. Maybe if we could like... Yeah, Godot API is something I have a hard time with. On the long run, it's quite easy, but at first it's slightly confusing. Instead of having lowercase properties and methods, you sometimes have to go uppercase, and also you have to use the gd dot something. Yes, exactly. Sometimes it requires gd dot da da da, sometimes not. I kind of went with the flow for this one, but from my experience, it looks like gd dot is required for features which are Godot specific and not language universal, if that makes sense. Yeah, no, the sound for this is way too bad. I think I will have to go fetch sounds somewhere. Let's see, copyright-free game sounds. Okay, what are the good websites and the wrong websites? Zepsplat. What sound do you need? Ice Tower, Missile Tower. What's that? Just waiting. Hi Dorian, how you doing? Early free sound effect archive, game audio GDC. Went on. Would be a kind of no wind, ice sound. Well, those aren't free though. Like, not at all. Yeah, sure. Who are you? Do I have to answer this? Let's see what we have there. Search. Magic. Ice. Am I going to break your ears? I hope not. That's slightly too brutal. There's something, but well, technically we could use the 3 here as randoms. But just for free to download this asset. Huh. Pricing, how does this work? But yeah, again, that's not really royalty free. I think that's what I was asking for. Ah, yes. How do you know what they are? Made your own music? Pew pew? I can make pew pew, but can I actually make ice sound with my mouth? I don't know. Missile will be in the realm of possibilities. That's the thing. How do you know if they are free or not? Yeah, so right. What's in there? Check out. Yeah, no thanks. Oh god. That's the thing, right? Kenny doesn't have that many sounds. 'Cause I think I looked into this RPG audio and that's mostly dual steps and stuff. Not really spell or anything. Because what was the question even? Yes. Then maybe this one? Alright, sound effects. Such library. "45 seconds, that's probably all the samples together. Yeah, that's something that which can be used, despite some of those noises being absolutely atrocious. But yeah. Oh, seriously. And my nose itchy. I'm gonna say allergies. How does this work? Yeah, I think it's just it's fixed, you know. Yeah. Thanks. Are you going to have something to eat? Sorry for not staying. I have a little work to do after good luck. Yeah, it's quite early. This sounds take bye. Yeah, sure. Go ahead. I see you later. Thanks for passing by. Oh, will you? Come on. Okay, so discussion. Frost magic. Yeah, sure, but where do you find those? Okay, I bet you're not like recording them right now. Well, actually, I could be trying to record some things. Yeah, they're good. They are what I'm looking for. Oh, you had your name. What does my brother want? That's a secret? Why use the secretive? I'm looking for something. Oh yes, this. Oh yes, that's what it is. No, I was actually deleting those. Yep. Sad. I wonder if you can find sound effects on SoundCloud. Nah, it's probably specialized for long stuff. And I don't even know if they have royalty-free things on SoundCloud. That's probably just for music as well. Yeah. Well, anyway. Nice. Okay, we've got the new node. Huh. When did I create a new node? Oh, a new scene, actually. The thing is, do we have to harmonize the sounds? I can't open this one? Oh, wait, okay. I think that has to be done in something else. Okay, now it opens here. confusing. Maybe I can cut it. Maybe not. Doesn't even work. Oh, it might be loud. It might be loud. Maybe the second one is too different. Yeah. I think the second one is too different. But it works fine. So I will probably have to do more research for sounds outside of streams, and eventually I can focus more on the menu thing. Escape menu. So technically something that would pause the game. Descent rocket explosion. Eventually it can be changed by tweaking things like pitch and length and stuff. Wait, what's in there? Oh, that's probably why we had no sound before. Yeah, let's make it a random with one sound, just in case we have something different later on. Probably on Cannonball. Right here. Is the function, yes. Let's see. Because it's a fact. Yeah, it's actually quite good. It's pretty good. That's perfect. So let's make an escape menu. Let's see, I'll use the interface here. Do I actually create something different? I'm starting to think that having a state machine for the user interface could be interesting. To prevent some kind of weird things. Let's see, what if I create something like a... Is that a panel? Yeah, that's it. So here we have a full panel to gray out the screen, and that's gonna be escape menu. What do we have in there? Set the container. Panel container. Margin. V-box. And there we go. Alright, label. Centered. This is gonna be the header menu. Menu header, yeah. Well, it's interesting. Why is it so small? Probably because the theme variation is not as big as I expect it to be. What if I override the font size? Why is it still that small? What's going on? Oh, is it because of this guy? Nope, 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 nope. I probably need to create a new one. What if I do make unique? Yes, let's create another one, I think. Yeah, I don't have any specific warning regarding music copyright, that's fine. I probably can make this separators without a margin. With the theme. I don't know. I actually never did a sound setting, so I honestly don't know. That goes on the left. Yep. What if I... Do I say sounds or SFX? Sound volume. Then it is followed by a slider. Oh no. This most likely needs to be themed as well. It has signal when dragged? Yes, probably. That's not what I'm most scared of. What I'm most scared of is working with the audio bus and stuff. But yeah, I gotta theme this. What size of texture should that be? 16 pixels seems correct, but kind of small. Maybe 32 is fine. You sent in Discord your code just in case. Oh, let's see that. You serious? Audio server set bus volume to the value. Oh. How you did it? Like this. This sign. Back quotes. 3 back quotes, then you type Python and you say function wow. That's it. And you close it by using the 3 back quotes again. Actually, I might be able to reuse something I already did in the past. This skill here. I should be able to grab this and reuse that. Eventually grow it slightly. And fill it. Oh, whatever color is that. Now, let's export this. Documents. Godot. Experts. No. Bloons project. Slider theming is a hell. Yeah, I'm not surprised. I'm honestly not surprised. Tell me I can set a size for this. What size this? Let me see. Let me see! Why is that 121 anyway? I'm gonna have no mercy and set them all to this thing. So what is the tick? Is that if you have like some specific values? Yeah, it's almost the same. Grabber area highlight, slider. The background for the whole slider affects. Okay. You cannot do 99% of things here. What? Oh, is this one disabled? Oh yeah. One tick on every value. I think that's... I may have a recollection of what it looks like because someone did that. Eight pixels might be too much. Yeah, it's kind of the same. Probably you remember your screenshots. If you were the person who did a slider with vertical ticks, then yes. Very much. Oh, interesting. I don't have the panels. Well, they are here. The panel colors. So the background color and the highlight color. So let's pick this one. Huh. Okay, so what is... Okay, so this technically should be the exact same as the previous one. So I'm gonna save this as slider. And for the background, yeah, that's pretty much where I guess it has to go. Component detail 1. I feel like I'm gonna get please. You're the only thing that we know. What are its values? What are its values? Is that a... Oh, I think I got it. No, it's not. It's not even that. Wait. It is a stylebox flat. So, stylebox flat. Row center. What is Q? What if I say 8, 8? No. Border width. Is that it? Is it a border? For real? It looks like it is a border. But not so much at the same time. Just that looks kind of like it. Except that the highlight here is not right. But then maybe it's a question of border. Nope. Okay, I'm alright. There's just this thing on the right. Why is this little point on the right? What's going on here? This is the most confusing thing ever. What if we use something different? That's terrible. Because we can't make it bezeled. What if we say texture? Yeah, I'm gonna divide it by 2. So scale is gonna be 50-50. I'm gonna move this guy to the left. Duplicate it, move it to the right. I'm gonna align those so middle, no. Middle, left, okay. And now I'm gonna create a rectangle. So, this has to be 80. Come here. No. Come here. Ugh. Okay, it doesn't want to come. This one has to come. You can do it. Just slide down. Something that looks like this. Eventually, a little bit more. Ah, why does it have to be so precise? I guess. Alright, correct. Now to the other one. Now we're good. We're good. So here we change the colors. Yep. Alright. We have it. Now we pray. Yes, that's pretty much all we have to do. Praying. Praying was not enough. Later. Google, I need you. Did anyone explain? Yes, slider, create a new stylebox flat, set design background color, set content margin. New style box flat here. Background color. We need to get that again. Background color. Background color. Color detail 1. That's just the top and bottom value, which I don't really understand, and I think it's the width here. Yep, that's 0. Right. Up. What about 4? What if we don't have... Oh, we actually need it. Yeah, the only problem is that by not having left and right, we don't have corners, so... And that's gone again. I think I've got it. That looks correct. I'm gonna leave it like this and not touch it anymore. Oof. Why is the left side not super... Yeah, that's kind of confusing. But anyway. I will be right back shortly, and then we will apply the actual code to make the sound change. it is indeed muted. So we're just moving to the sound. Thanks. On music value change. So I only need one. On effects volume value changed. You heard sound of the keys? Yes, because that's where the sound of the keys come from. Like, you don't hear it anymore. Did you just realize that the key sounds are fake? You didn't know that. Oh, you're so confused. Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's kind of doesn't necessarily. I mean, it surprises people again. The other day, someone asked me what is my keyboard, basically. And yeah, I realized they were asking because of the sound, which is not my keyboard technically. And I could even use the mouse clicks, but this one is a little bit more obnoxious. So I don't know. Drag ended. Okay. Do you want another sound to make you feel better? Oh, YouTube, I know what you did there. Seriously, YouTube. I'm just gonna leave that open on the side of the voice. Function. Alright, what do we have in there? Oh, we have a value. What is that? Huh. And here we have a value float, which is pretty much the one I want. The thing is, linear, okay. But how do I know? This integer is argument is indexed as the boost loader. Yes, so technically it's 0, since I have only one. The thing is that, yeah, it is linear, but how do I know what value stands for what value? That's kind of set dB volume linear. The return value is equivalent to the result of dB2 linear. They're kidding me. Oh, it's 0 to 1.0. Okay, let's try it. Let's try something. Expected end of file. What? What is wrong with you? Please. gdscript acting like a princess. You have... Yes, but it's this block. So, I don't know if it is a good thing that I start using lambda functions. I have a past, a very dark past of obstruction. And it's probably not good to go back there. But at the same time, lambda functions are super cool. I think. I think we're good. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. I didn't think about that. Hmm. What if I change the color of this little... Okay, so we should be good. Let's open this escape menu. Script. So let's cache inputs. Oh, it exists. Cancel. Oh no. Because now I'm gonna make sure that when you press escape, because you have a turret. Okay, that I can do. Well, I'm actually gonna create a function. Open menu. Okay, so turrets. Last name turrets2D. Oh wow. If ghost turrets. Okay, I think we're gonna go step by step, because this could be complicated. So let's make it visible false, and when we open the menu, visible true. Okay. We're gonna toggle the menu now. We're gonna close the menu, else we're gonna open the menu. Okay. Let's see. Alright, we are progressing. Now, big sound. Oh wow. It's so beautiful. Okay. Sound works. Now. Turrets2D should be static, sort of. This is allowing us now to check that if we do have a ghost turret, we can't open the menu. Because right now I can buy a turret, press escape and that will open the menu, but we don't want that. So here, we're just gonna go watch for if turrets 2D. Okay, let's try having a turret. Okay. Make setting on tab. No. This will work. But we can make it on tab as well. So this has to go in this spot then. We also probably want to check if turret. Okay. So technically we can have a turret here. Yeah, but that's kind of a problem, you see. That's a problem. So no. There will be no tab here to that. So now. No. Is open. So it is not open by default. And here is open. It's true. Is open is false. And it is actually important because we will be dealing with timing there. So we're gonna toggle the pose. The thing is that toggle here will bending time. Is different than the other one. Okay, so toggle pose. Close toggle is false. So we're gonna invert it. Now, if it is toggled, well, if it is post toggled, engine timescale is 0. Else, this should allow us to kind of be able to go through going in the menu, having the time post, and leaving the menu. Is that an ant? Oh, okay. Anyway, toggle pose, and we should be able to kind of force it. New post toggled. Oh, hi Pigeon. Now we can probably go back to the game menu, escape menu. So when we open it, oh, come on. What's happening? Oh, I think I turned. Right, so let's put a few turrets. So it worked as intended, that's the thing. I'm gonna add a space input to start the turrets. The waves. Okay, so user interface, start turret, start wave, wave button. Watch for space. Oh no. Is that for real? On the wave... Is that even connected to anything? I don't think so. Let's try... Oh, really? Now we can start a new wave like this. Okay, cool. So, we technically have the sound setting ready. Except that we can probably make this slightly better looking. Escape menu. Sound volume. So, this could be louder. Also, I want to make sure that once the game's over, we can't open the menu anymore. So... Here, open menu. Not really, but first let's try without changing anything. Let's put this sound down. Let's start the wave and loose. Okay, so here we can still open the menu. Is that a good thing? Yes. I know why. So in our speed scale, we want to make sure that the game's not over. Okay, let's lose again. We're fine. Try again. Maybe we could have the credits here. That could be interesting. Well, I'm gonna leave the menu like this, and eventually the super secret settings will arrive in there. Anyway, escape menu. Let's make it bigger. Handle container. Minimum size. Maybe this label could be centered. And this could have a margin. Oh, it's not gonna work, is it? No, it's not. We need AV box as well. And eventually we can add a button here, which is gonna be well, let's not make it a button, but a checkbox eventually. And here we do add a checkbox. Kinda weird. What happens right there? What's going on? Anyway. Oh, maybe we could make this without using the actual checkbox. I don't know. Let's see the theme. And the checkbox specifically. Checkbox. Ah, this looks so annoying. I'm already tired by it. Okay, I'm gonna remove that. I'm gonna add a texture rectangle. Let's see. Quick load. Oh, can we actually use that? Could be interesting. Layout. Oh, no. Keep size, keep aspect. Layouts. 32, 32. I think I may have an idea. Actually, I could reuse the color from the borders here. I don't know. Assets, styles. Ah, no. I could grab this. Okay. Export this 32 by 32 as a checkbox. Maybe it could be wider. Stroke style. Yes, let's make it wider. And eventually we could create a kind of cross. Okay. How do I create points? Drag to select node, click to edit only this object. Well, technically I can add this, insert new nodes. Oh, here I have segments, I can add a node here. Oh. Not really what I want. I kind of want this to look... I don't want this to look like perfect, but kind of a messy... Let us smooth. No, we could have the middle one as well. That's okay. Smooth. Eventually change the stroke style. You have rounded edges. Well, definitely change the color. For paint. E7, I can buy that. Nah, I don't like it. I guess I'm just gonna have a simple line. Rotation and rotation. Yeah. Looks like it. What if we export this? Checkbox ticked. Okay. And that's a checkbox. Woohoo. Texture normal and texture checked. I wonder if using UID could allow copying a folder from a project to another project and still have all the dependencies right because they use UIDs and not paths. That's an interesting question, actually. Unshaped by default, and that looks correct. Except that we need to know when it is clicked, so technically... Eventually I will use a button here. And here that's gonna be texture normal. Alright. Oh. Yes, we have no unpressed. Uncheck. Pressed connection. Let's see. Maybe I could add a UI sound to this. Huh. Oh, this one was good. Oh, let's use this one. UI sound. Let's go. Eventually I could have this in the sounds. Maybe I could create a UI guy here. Creating an enum could be interesting. UI sounds. Which okay, so based on the enum value we change. I don't know how bad it is to multiply. How bad it is to multiply the amount of audio stream players. Like, if I have 10 sounds, having 10 audio stream players, is that bad? I don't know. So the UI got stream player, stream the resource, stream. And that's a audio stream. So I guess we just have to load this guy. Yeah. UI.stream. We do preload this. This seems fair. UI size not declared in this. There it is declared. Okay, let's see. Can we make this work? This interface, checkbox. Can we make this work? Okay, well, it does work. Do we have a kind of click sound? Okay, I can hear it. Because of music? Oh, maybe this is actually very, oh yeah. Doesn't change a thing. Yeah, let's get the click one. Or maybe they do match by numbers. Wrong? Well, yeah, whatever. Why did I... boo! I didn't use your idea. Very bad. How do... So now I have to make that on every button click? Oh. I don't want to say tedious, but kind of. So what about toggling this? Let's copy this, because we will be using it a lot. Let's try it first. That was actually pretty cool for a menu, I think. But just a menu. So, yeah, eventually a click could be better. Let's bring click on. And for the wave starts, like those question things. Oh, what is glitch? Probably. Yeah. Those question things. Oh, that fits better the start of a wave. They're kind of too digital though. I think there's one I didn't pick. What do I have? Interface sound. Oh yeah, but I have slight memory of this one not being as good. Let's see. Extract this. Yeah, this click is probably better. Roll over, what's that? What kind of sound could fit the start of the wave? What could we have in the casino that works with this? No, it's too long. That will be used in the specific settings. So I'm gonna keep that on the side. Oh, yeah, probably confirmation one. That's kind of weird, but I don't know. Let's see. Eventually, I will do that differently. Let's code the click sound first. Well, wait. I will have to rename the guy. From where was it? Game menu? I think so. Yeah. But anyway, let's copy this again. Game. Here we initiate a wave, right? Oh, waves are not added there. I will have to do that. We must feature misc add as a interface SFX. No, that's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to say that I need load missing waves to the wave manager. But anyway, initiate wave. Now to make the clicks, sort of. Feedback panel. Speed button, yeah, speed button unpressed. And that's gonna be the click. Feedback panel. I have to go in it. Actually, no. Probably here. Interesting. Oh, that's right there. Kind of too much under my eyes. I'll be right back in a few seconds, and we're gonna keep adding the sounds. Okay, so yeah, making the sounds. Technically on all the buying buttons, so I'm pretty sure they share the same script, so here I try to create turrets. But we probably want to do that only when the turret is properly created. So I would go see there. Create ghost turret. Yeah, here we add the sound. For the place. Yes, on place as well. On sell button eventually. Upgrades as well. Is that here? Yes. Update and but what about pressing those? Right here? Let's try purchase first upgrade. Yeah, here we can We need the sound probably. Setting as well. Mm. I think we're good. Well, a game over menus eventually. Yeah. Game over. Where's this try again button? Right here. I would probably don't need this print. Okay, let's see. Oh, I didn't change the path, if I remember correctly. So confirmation. And click. Now that wave sound is... I don't know, it's weird and not so at the same time. Yeah. Not fitting, as you say. Yeah, what about a bonk? Eventually, we could have a pop sound playing when they reach the end. But it lacks clarity. Maybe an impact audio. I think that was the one I wanted for the free story, but yeah, whatever. I don't see any impact which fits with a balloon sound. Well, you have lost a sound. Game end, however. My brother had a problem where at some point in the game, the sounds would just stop playing altogether. Or maybe just the pops, I don't remember, but I think that's just his browser having a sound safety check on sounds which are played too often. Let's go back to the UI sound. That's probably where we'll have the best. That's a literal switch. Like, that's what the, yeah. And YouTube's mad again. He really dislikes when I switch. Okay, maybe, what can I put here? Nah. If I put this one there and here. Wait, what? It's good. Yeah, sounds is hard. Not gonna lie. Let's not. Yeah, I'm not gonna waste too much time on that. It's too bad. We will have the weird sound. That's okay. No missing waves. That's important. That's important. Balloon? No. Balloon path. So we are at 41. What do you find here? And 50. So I think it's necessary to test the game now. So what I will do is export it to each IO. So that you guys can play it at the same time if you do wish to test it as well. And I actually wonder if it is possible to finish it, because these black balloons are very, very hard to get. Anyway, documents. Leave here link. Yep, I will once it is ready. I hope I forgot nothing. Probably, but that's the point of early publication, if I can say it that way. Oh, also I will try to get a nice screenshot. Okay, so saving. And oh wait, I can't send it here. Right there. Okay, let's see. Make sure to read these messages between ways, they're very important. We said that. Blue balloons will spawn red balloons when popped. That makes sense. Can we buy something? We can buy Pierce. Damn. Who's the lady here? Where's the dam? Is that a dame? It exits full screens on escape. Yes, you're not supposed to be full screen anyway. Hey bro, hope you're doing well. Hey Merc, we're doing good. I just published the testing version for the 1.0 of the game. So right now, I'll be testing the game. Where can I put that monkey here? Game looks like crap if not full screen in Firefox. Full screen. What do you mean? It's supposed to look like this. I mean, it has a fixed resolution. It automatically opens in a new window. I don't think I have Firefox to test anything. Maybe I could increase the tag speed here. Oh, no, that's okay. Okay, I need more monkeys. Just gonna make sure he's not blocking the tag turrets. Green balloons, they do spawn blue balloon when popped, so we're gonna have green balloons now. We can handle this, I think. By the way, maybe I can test my brother to test this as well. No! Why do I lose life so early? And I missed the feedback message. Great. That's okay-ish. I don't know if blue is a super cool color. Oh, so we're gonna have a lot of blues, maybe. Eventually I can get them to pierce. The popping sound starts to crack a little bit. That's the thing. That's kind of, yeah. Maybe a third. Piercing is weird, definitely. I think I have to speed up the projectile range. Speed. I don't know. Whoa, that's a big loss. Eventually adding another tac turret here. Missile range upgrade is so weak. It kinda is. Yeah, those yellow balloons like sliding like there's no tomorrow. Yeah, the pop sound is way too obnoxious. It would be cool to find something to fix this. And by the way, the missile range upgrade, I think it's taken from the original game, right? So I use the same values. So as long as they're using pixel as units, it should be the same. Maybe I should add a missile turret. I can buy one. In original, it's more bigger. Maybe. And you can't click on missile? Huh. I can. Eventually having a downloadable version could be probably interesting as well, I don't know. I passed the black balloons. Cool. Yeah, I lost lives here. I probably need more base monkeys. Yeah, that's tough. Hmm. Oh, 4 black balloons. Actually having some at the start. Or maybe I should be saving for a super monkey at this point. Yeah, I think I should be saving. Well, that's difficult. You lost. Yeah, it's so hard. I don't know if it's possible to win at the moment. Oh. I lost with the super monkey. Oh, that's so sad. Yeah. Wait, 39. Buffing the attack turret could be interesting, I think, just to add a little bit more white to the projectile. And adding another one right now could be cool as well. Beginning to be hard to tell if it's not the instruction. But I did not respect the actual style, and it needs some polishing regarding sounds and stuff. But yet again, the original game isn't very polished itself, so yeah, let's add a lot of texturates. Those yellow guys, for real. You're planning on doing the tower icon instead of the letters? The thing is that it's kind of small to make icons this size. So they look kind of blurry. So at the moment I prefer the letters. Because I think it has to fit into a 32 by 32 pixels, and that's very, very, very small. Well, yeah, I don't know. Having icons could be cool. And I think, I mean, from this size, it has to be blurry. So maybe, I don't know. I really don't know. I'm gonna try to update the text speed. Did you make bigger icons pop up when hovering? We have already the things under it, which is that's part of the copying the original. I picked the same UI. That was part of it. Are there more tag which are worth buying here? Because the UI is also pretty. Right now, making changes could be quite expensive. I mean, it could be worse at some point, but I don't feel like making that right now. But again, it's like we are halfway, right? We have 2 weeks more, so this could happen. We never know. Should I buy more tactiles? Like right here. It looks like the full tactorate kind of works. Okay. Maybe I'm ready to wait for Super Monkeys. Oh, whoa. Those waves are kind of scary. Oh, it's lagging. Oh. Yeah, we can buy a Super Monkey. I think the angle is important. Do I want to make it with more range? Or not? Oh, I think it's lost. Wow! This wave's insane. So here's my other thoughts. Okay. I'm gonna explain the plans for the super secret setting. That was pretty nice. Yeah, that was. So far we do have the button. Okay. But it does nothing. So I think the idea will be to try to bring in, and then when you want to activate this, it will prompt to restart the game, so that the game will restart with the super secret setting. And I'm thinking about adding a kind of random roguelike system to the game in the form of the random augments that you can get as the game goes on. So every other ways you have random modifiers which are offered to you, and you can pick some which will have different effects in the game. Like, for example, I don't know, dots can pierce frozen balloons, right? Like, that could be a big one. Balloons can randomly pop another balloon when they explode to kind of create chain reactions. The kind of thing which would make the game, well, not too hard in the long run. So that's what I was thinking for the first part. Yeah. So the thing is, do we start working on that right now? Let's look at the time. Eventually, what could be interesting is, also I just noticed a bug, which I'm gonna note right now. Yeah, so when the game restarts, the sound volume slider goes back to 100%, but not the actual volume of the game. So eventually, yeah, we'll have the bar stick to the volume, probably. Yeah, so what I'm thinking is that will be the end of this stream for this afternoon right now. I'm gonna take a pause, and I will come back this evening in a few hours to start working on the secret setting. I think that will be the plan here. Oh, and also, yeah, I don't want to make a backlog. Can I copy a card, by the way? Copy link to card. Too bad. So yeah, I think that will be. That's the plan. The plan is me taking a break so I can eat something and stuff. Sounds good. You gotta clean your yard up. Oh, there was a huge storm last night. Damn. That seems, on one hand, that seems annoying, but that seems okay as well. As long as the storms don't come every other week. So yeah, good luck with that. And I will see you guys in probably, so here it's 17, I'm thinking maybe 20, maybe earlier, maybe I will go with 19, 30, or 19, I don't know. I will try to ping the Discord as soon as I have the time for this. So yeah, that's what I will do. So yeah. Actually, I think I have nothing more to add here. I will just slowly disappear. Leave space to the end of the stream time. And I will see you guys in a few hours, or, well, in the next video if you're just watching the rerun.